What I'm going to do here today is I have some garage door rails from an overhead garage door, some wheels from a gas grill, piece of sheet metal from a furnace, and I'm going to make a welding cart for my wire feed welder here. Okay, I measured up my welder and my material here and everything, and I made a quick sketch of the dimensions that I want. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut that out and weld it together. Okay, I have the parts cut out here and I got it laid out here to weld it up. This is galvanized metal here that I'm using, and it's not good to breathe the fumes from that, so you want to make sure it's in a well ventilated area. Okay, I had to deviate from our plan a little bit to make enough room here. I'm still going to have a big enough shelf to put my welding gear in that. I'm going to take and weld this little piece of angled iron bracket on there. Okay, I got it all clamped together, mocked up here. Just going to make a couple little marks on here to find out where I need to bring this bracket up. Okay, I measured it out here, and this is where I'll cut that off. Okay, before I do my final welding on my cross members here, I went and double checked diagonal here to make sure it's square, and we're pretty close here. So got it all clamped on there. I'm going to go ahead and tack that on there and then weld them up. Okay, I flipped it upside down and got the bottom welded. Okay, got a little piece of conduit here to make a handle. And then I slit down the side here of that garage door track, bent it over, and I'm going to go ahead and clamp that on there and weld her up. Okay, for my bottom shelf here, it's a little thick to bend, so I'm going to take a Dremel tool and just score along the line there and then bend it. Okay, I got my tray here. It's pretty snug fit, and I'm going to drill a couple holes in here and put a couple sheet metal screws in there. Okay, I have it flipped upside down here. I went and cut a piece of pipe so it'll stick out a little bit here, and one for the center. Put my axle through there. Got another short piece of pipe. And washer. The wheel on there, and put this little clip in. Okay, do a little dry run here. Fit the welder on there on the shelf below. I went and had my welding hood, Everything looks like it fits pretty good. So what I'm going to do now is take an angle grinder with a flap wheel and take all the sharp edges off here. Okay, it's all together here. Works pretty well. I'm pretty pleased that put it all together, and it was all from scrap, so it really didn't cost anything other than my time and a little bit of welding wire. So I hope you found this helpful.